Hi, my name is Igor. I'm CEO of Ship One Studio, and today I'm going to tell you about commercial illustration. You see, there's a millions of websites around the web that provide a lot of information, provide a lot of numbers, but do users really read it? Do users really interact with it? And how do you convert a user into this to the sale? How do you make the user follow the whole path and buy your product on the website? Obviously, only if the website is interesting and interaction is pleasurable or at least acceptable. One of the ways to make things more vocal, more nice and intriguing, more interesting is illustration, because there is a lot of different people coming from a lot of different cultures and backgrounds with a lot of different types of perception. They bring in there something personal. They have their personal feelings toward the websites which they interact with. And that's the thing, that illustration provides a positivity in all of that. In order to make a sale and convert the lead into the sale when we have a user on the website, and in order to make things work, it's not enough just to provide the service. It's not enough just to make one explanatory video. Maybe if you sell only one very tight niche, very small product, one video will do for you. But if your product is more complex, you will need more and more of content that is appealing to the buyers in many different ways, attracting a very different audiences if you do plan to attract different audiences. So you will need an illustration. Major businesses successfully employing illustration right now. This is the hottest thing around. And for example, today we are going to take a look on one of our clients, Interpersonality.com. Interpersonality is a new personality test that helps you understand yourself. It's free AI-powered personality test. So it kind of looks like a very significant amount of dry forms and information, which is not really even exciting. Here's our work, this illustration. It really brings this page to life, because imagine this page without the illustration. It would look depersonalized. It would be not really reminding that this test is a personal thing. It's very hard to make a website personal, but startups really do need a personalized approach for a particular case. So we worked on this illustration. Let me show you one more. You will see more of our work going through the test. As it's noted here, the test takes 12 minutes. It's quite a lengthy time, but during the course of the test, you will see more. Here's a project for this work at Behance. This is different versions of the illustrations we have created, and so it kind of looks like that. Let's take a closer look on one of the whales of startups. Let's take a look on Airbnb.com. Recently, they updated the illustration on their homepage. An update regarding the Olympic Games. It looks amazing. They praise diversity and the praisability of people with limited capabilities to compete, which I admire. And this is very, very great work here. And Arthur is definitely familiar with watercolor and the painting with an oil, but this is a digital illustration. However, I want to note that it's a very skilled work, and it's not even a commercial grade illustration. It's more falling into the museum art, I would say. And this is uncommon for the companies to put on that kind of illustration. But the commercial illustration you will see many places are very, very common anyway. And the Airbnb went even further. Here's one more. A little bit different style. It's more of a digital one. However, it looks great and I really love it. And they really do enrich the website experience. You can order your custom illustrations or any sort of graphic materials for your business by contacting us at hello@shiponestudio.com. And thank you for watching.